Hello. And welcome back to the Top 10 channel. In this video, we are going to talk about top 10 developments in artificial intelligence for 2021. So before starting this video, please like it and subscribe to our channel for the future updates so you never miss any of our informative and fun videos. Let's get right into it. Detecting fraud, recommending songs, streamlining logistics, and offering translations are only a few of the services available in AI. Intelligent technologies are making a positive difference in our lives. Artificial intelligence has already established itself as a valuable tool in a variety of fields. Artificial intelligence has advanced at a breakneck pace in recent years. Even so, there is still controversy this year about what constitutes AI ethics, and what ethical criteria, professional standards, and best practices are needed to achieve it. If mankind's so-called technological advancement were to become an enemy of the common good, this would lead to an unfortunate return to a type of barbarism dictated by the rule of the strongest, Pope Francis said at the Common Good in the Digital Era Tech Conference recently held in Vatican City. Here's a list of the top 10 developments in artificial intelligence in 2021. Let's start with Number 10. Technical robustness and safety. Algorithms must be stable, accurate, and robust enough to deal with inconsistencies at all stages of an AI system's lifecycle. This is to ensure that cybersecurity is maintained. This necessitates the testing of artificial intelligence software systems in order to comprehend and minimize the risks of cyber attacks and hacking. Data poisoning and hacking are examples of threats that these information systems must be secured against. If systems are compromised, they can cause a lot of damage and even shut down the device. These problems may lead to data corruption or misuse, posing a security risk. Number 9. Transparency. Transparency is essential. One way to ensure accountability is to record the datasets and processes used in AI system development. Artificial intelligence systems should be labeled as such. Humans must be mindful that they are working with an artificial intelligence device. Furthermore, the behavior and decisions of AI systems are subject to the concept of explainability and meaning. They should be understandable and traceable by humans. Government oversight, according to a variety of corporations, academics, and citizen advocates, is a strong way to preserve openness and, by extension, human accountability. Others contend that this would hinder the pace of innovation. The United States, the European Union, and a number of countries are all working to develop mechanisms for controlling transparency. Number 8. Accountability. Mechanisms for ensuring responsibility and accountability for AI programs and their results should be in place. Audits should be conducted both internally and externally. Reporting of the AI system's negative effects, as well as impact evaluation tools, should be available. In addition, businesses should be able to protect their customers' personal information and hold themselves accountable in the event of a technology failure. It is important to uphold human dignity and rights. Machine learning algorithms are inherently unpredictable, making it difficult to predict the impact they will have on an individual. This poses a challenge to the conventional notion of accountability. As a result, when incorporating AI into our businesses, we must adhere to AI ethics. Number 7. Augmented processes become increasingly popular. When it comes to creativity and automation in 2021, artificial intelligence and data science will be a part of a larger picture. Data ecosystems are scalable, lean, and deliver data to a variety of sources on time. However, a foundation must be developed in order to adapt and promote innovation. Companies will go a step further in optimizing their augmented business and growth processes, according to Anna Malaberti, a big data engineer at Globant. Software development processes can be optimized with artificial intelligence, and we can aim for a broader collective intelligence and better cooperation. To transition into a sustainable delivery model, we need to cultivate a data-driven culture and evolve out of the experimental stages. Number 6. Artificial intelligence talent will remain tight. In 2021, the scarcity of talent is predicted to be a problem in the adoption of artificial intelligence. There has been a long-standing talent shortage in AI, and businesses have finally recognized its potential. It is important to close this gap and teach artificial intelligence to a larger community of people. In 2021, it will be critical to ensure that a wider range of consumers have access to artificial intelligence in order to focus on technology, learning techniques, and encouraging a shift in the workplace. CIOs would need to ensure that AI is available by a broader range of users, just as they work to make data open to non-technical users. Successful AI democratization includes a decentralized governance model and a focus on key aspects of data, technology, and learning strategy, Middle says. Contextualization, change management, and governance must all be prioritized by businesses. Number 5. Human agency and oversight. The core of AI ethics laws must be respect for individual autonomy and basic rights. The European Union guidelines recommend the following 3 steps to ensure that this provision is expressed in the system. Prior to the implementation of an AI scheme, a fundamental rights impact assessment should be conducted to ensure that it does not jeopardize fundamental rights. Humans should be empowered by AI systems, which should enable them to make informed decisions and promote their fundamental rights. Simultaneously, proper monitoring mechanisms must be developed, which can be accomplished using human-in-the-loop, human-on-the-loop, and human-in-command approaches. Human agency must be assured, which means that users must be able to comprehend and communicate with AI systems to a satisfactory level. Since a computer can never be fully in charge, there must still be human supervision. Humans should always have the option of potentially overriding a system's decision. To ensure human control, have a stop button or a protocol to abort an operation. Number 4. AI ethics as the focus. Artificial intelligence ethics is a subset of technology ethics that deals with artificially intelligent systems. It is also divided into 2 categories: human ethics, which is concerned with how humans design, create, use, and handle artificially intelligent systems, and computer ethics, which is concerned with how machines behave. It also addresses the possibility of a singularity as a result of superintelligent AI. In 2021, Natalie Cartwright, co-founder and COO of FinAI, an AI banking platform, predicts that organizations will deliver expertise on how to use artificial intelligence to solve major global challenges, promote creativity and economic development, and ensure inclusion and diversity, according to Natalie Cartwright, co-founder and COO of FinAI, an AI banking platform. Transparency of data and algorithm fairness are 2 of the problems that are in the spotlight as AI ethics become more relevant to businesses. Number 3. Societal and environmental well-being. Artificial intelligence systems can foster positive social change and long-term sustainability. In other words, policies that ensure AI systems are environmentally friendly should be promoted, such as using less toxic energy-consuming methods. The impact of these programs on people's physical and mental health must also be taken into account and controlled. Furthermore, the consequences for culture and democracy should be evaluated. AI ethics is a smart way to make sure we don't do any more harm to the world than we already have. It's important to remember that in a world where people are fighting for climate justice, we shouldn't do any more harm. Number 2. Diversity, non-discrimination and fairness. To prevent unjust bias, AI developers should ensure that algorithms are designed without bias. People who may be affected by AI systems, either directly or indirectly, should be consulted and involved in their production and implementation. AI systems should be designed with the full range of human abilities, skills, and specifications in mind, as well as accessibility for people with disabilities. Number 1. Privacy and data protection. When designing and operating an AI system, the AI community should ensure that privacy and personal data are protected. People should have full control of their personal data. A loss of personal data can be highly dangerous for those involved. It's difficult to restore confidence after it's been lost for reasons as serious as a data breach. To ensure privacy and data security, AI developers can use design techniques such as data encryption. Furthermore, data accuracy must be assured, i.e., errors, prejudices, and mistakes must be avoided. What do you think of our list? Let me know in the comment section below. Please feel free to request certain topics and we will do our best to feature them on the Top 10 channel. If you enjoyed this video and want to hear from us again, be sure to hit that subscribe button before you go. Thanks for watching.